This exercise is a seated cable row. Now this can be done with a variation in handles. I'm going to show you a neutral grip position on here, which means the palms are facing inwards. That can be done on a slightly wider bar, like the one I'm going to show you, or alternatively, it can be done on a slightly narrower bar like this. Generally, I would prefer it, let's put that on properly, I would prefer it if you have a bar like this that's slightly wider to do so, because it allows you to get a greater range of motion on the movement, okay? The other possible options are a pronated grip row, where your palms are facing down, that would usually be slightly wider, or a supinated grip row, palms facing upwards or towards you, that would be done slightly narrower. I'm going to show you a neutral grip. So what we're going to do, take a seat on our machine. There's a few ways of doing this. We can hit the upper back by leaning back slightly. We want to get a good amount of tension through the legs, a good solid position. We want the back completely straight. If we're trying to hit the upper back a little bit, what we do, lean slightly further back, we let the shoulders come apart, and then we're going to pull towards us, aiming for our belly button. You won't necessarily hit your belly button, but you're aiming for your belly button. Pull towards the belly button, squeeze the shoulder blades together, push them into your back pockets, and try to push your elbows together behind your back. That will give you the tension you want. Pull back, stretch forwards. Pull back, stretch forwards. Now, because I'm leaning back slightly, that's going to hit my upper back. Now, if we really want to go for the lats, which are a little bit lower, the big wing muscles on the back, this is a more advanced technique, so only do this if you've got a good amount of training experience. You can lean forwards past the center line and do the same thing. And what you'll find is that the resistance drops more into the belly of the lats rather than the upper back. But as I say, that's for the more advanced among you, and look out for grip position variations in the plan. That is our seated cable row. It's also worth noting that can also be done on a chest-supported row machine that you may have in your gym.